There may be times when you want to see ecosystem foliage in real-time views. Because of the possible resource load involved, it's not recommended that you enable ecosystem real-time foliage without first changing the preferences. Open the pop-up menu and select Real-Time Options. Go over to Land Cover, Real-Time Foliage File Preferences. Change the distance criteria far to 500 meters and the height criteria minimum to 5 meters. Close the window. Open the YNP main pop-up menu, Real-Time Options, Create Real-Time Foliage File. VNS will render a preview, less the sky, to generate the foliage file. When the render is finished, switch the view back to real-time mode. Open the pop-up menu again. Select Real-Time Options. Load Real-Time Foliage File. The view will refresh with real-time foliage. Open the pop-up menu and edit View's camera. This will set an undo point for the camera moves we're about to make. Move View and slowly move the camera forward. Your view response will probably be a bit sluggish. Real-time ecosystem foliage can be handy for knowing where foliage is going to render. Keep in mind, though, that it's going to slow things down, and if you use the default foliage settings, it could grind you to a stop. When you're done playing around with that, go ahead and back in the camera editor, undo changes. This will return your camera to where it was when the editor was opened. Open the YNP pop-up menu, Real-Time Options, and load real-time foliage file to unload it. Save the project, render a preview.